we have this problem here. Let us see how we can solve it. Jack and Jill go to an amusement park. There is a fixed entry fee and a rides fee depending upon the number of rides. Jack pays rupees 195 for 10 rides and Jill pays rupees 265 for 15 rides. What is the entry fee and the rides fee per ride? So what are the unknowns here? First, we see that the unknowns are the entry fee and rides fee per ride. These are the two unknowns. So let us denote these by two variables. Let us denote entry fee by a variable x and fee for each ride by a variable y. So for each ride, Jack and Jill have to pay a fee of y. So x and y are the two variables. Next, what else is given to us? We see that Jack pays rupees 195 for 10 rides. So total amount spent by Jack is rupees 195. This is given to us. So total fee for 10 rides, including entry fee, is rupees 195. Now, Jack takes 10 rides. So, for 10 rides, he has to pay 10y. Because fee for each ride is y, so fee for 10 rides will be 10y. So fee for 10 rides is equal to 10y. But in addition to this, Jack also has to pay an entry fee to enter the park. So Jack enters the park by paying the entry fee of x, and then he takes 10 rides by paying a fee of 10y. So this is the total fee paid by Jack. So total fee for 10 rides, including entry fee, is x plus 10y. And this should be equal to rupees 195, which is given to us. So x plus 10y is equal to 195. X plus 10y is equal to 195. Now, what else is given to us? Jill pays rupees 265 for 15 rides. So total fee for 15 rides, including entry fee, is rupees 265. Now Jill takes 15 rides. So fee for one ride is y. So what will be the fee for 15 rides? It will be 15y. So fee for 15 rides is 15y. This is the fee for 15 rides. Now in addition to this, Jill also has to pay an entry fee of x. So Jill enters the amusement park by paying this entry fee of x and then takes 15 rides by paying this fee of 15y. So this is the total amount paid by Jill, x plus 15y, and this should be equal to rupees 265, which is given to us. So x plus 15y should be equal to rupees 265. Now look at these two. So this is an equation in two variables x and y. And this is a linear equation in these two variables. Even this is a linear equation in two variables x and y. So we call these as equation 1 and equation 2. Now we know how to solve linear equations in two variables. So let us solve these two equations to get x and y and find the value of these unknowns. So we write these equations as x plus 10y equal to 195 and x plus 15y equal to 265. Now the coefficient of x is 1 here and 1 here. So it is 1 in both the cases. So let us subtract these two equations. On subtracting these two equations, we get x minus x is 0. 10y minus 15y gives negative 5y. Then we have equal to 195 minus 265 gives us negative 70. So this is what we have. Negative 5y is equal to negative 70. And we can calculate the value of y from this. Y is equal to negative 70 by negative 5, which is 14. So y is equal to 14. So this is the value of y. Now we can find the value of x by putting this value of y in any of these equations. So let us put y equal to 14 in equation 1. So we have x, so we write x plus 10 into y. So 10 into 14. In place of y, we write 14 is equal to 195. This is what we have, putting the value of y in equation 1. Now let us solve this. We get x plus 140 is equal to 195, or x is equal to 195 minus 140, that is 55. So we get x is equal to 55. So this is what we have. Now what was x? X was the entry fee of the park. So we can say that the entry fee of the park is rupees 55. And what else did we need to find? We need to find rides fee for each ride, or fee per ride. That was assumed to be y. And we have calculated y as 14. So fee per ride is equal to rupees 14. So hence we have got the values of the two unknowns. Entry fee of the park is rupees 55 and fee per ride is rupees 14.